Hey everyone, and welcome to the video. Today is going to be another unboxing of a Eufy product. This once again is not a sponsored or free product. It's not been sent to me. This is something that I've actually purchased with my own money. And what we have today is the Eufy Cam 2K indoor camera. This one once again is supposed to be a HomeKit compatible device, so it should be natively supported in HomeKit. The difference with this one is it's not actually working through the home base as with the Eufy Cam 2s. So what we'll do is we'll dive straight into the unboxing and take a look at what we get in the box. So presentation wise, as soon as you open the box, I'm guessing there's meant to be a tab or something just at the top here. Not very well put together by whoever's actually packaged this, because it makes it a little awkward to actually pull out. I'm guessing with the hole there you're meant to have something that you actually pull out. This to me looks like some of the wiring. You have the power cord, so we have a UK plug. Let me just move that back. So you just have a generic UK adapter, and this one is a 5 volt 1 amp, and it's just got a USB-A on the side, so I'll put that to the side. We get a USB-A, I'm guessing to micro USB cable, and just take a look at it there. Yep, so USB-A to micro USB. And what else do we get? So we get a small mounting bracket. That's presumably for mounting it higher up. And actually we'll finish. So you get a positioning card. This is to actually mount the holes. This is very similar to the Eufy cams, where you get a little sticker that you can stick on the wall, and then a little starter guide as well. Next in the box we have the camera itself, and it's already on the mount. With it being that way, I'm guessing that the mount is not removable. So at the bottom you have your HomeKit code, and similar thing again, indoor 2K cam, have a little bit of information there, and then you have it on this kind of swivel mount. So essentially the way it would work is you would hook it on like that, and then it would basically stay in position. Right, on the back of the device you have a sync button as well as the micro USB connection. I am actually happy that it's got micro USB, just for the fact that it's a lot easier to get extension cables. We'll have to wait and see how good whether it works with third-party ones, because I have seen other cameras where, depending on the length of the cable, they stop working. Basically you just can't carry the power required over the length. So on the front of the device, if we just take a look at it, so you have a little ring. I think that's the LED. You have a microphone, and I think this will also have some built-in infrared IR blasters as well. And I think that's about it that you get in the box. Yep. So essentially main things that we need, I'm not sure why this is looped on there, is this and possibly this one, depending on how you're mounting it. Now I did read originally that you can't actually have this flipped upside down and mount it this way. That was not an option, especially, well, early on definitely. But I'll have to wait and see, because some of those reviews were very early reviews. I did purchase this from Amazon, and at the time of purchasing there was a 20% reduction discount that was I could apply. So I think it was priced originally at 40 UK pounds, and I think I paid about 31 pounds or something like that for it. There will be links for this in the description below. So next video will be basically setup and first impressions.